Non-IC rated recessed fixtures must have a consistent clearance from insulation to meet fire and thermal performance requirements. For safety and performance, maintain 3 inches of clearance between insulation and the sides and top of any non-insulation contact-rated recessed light housing, measured from the outer edge of the housing to the nearest insulation. If you are replacing or installing fixtures, verify the fixture label for its insulation contact rating and its Underwriters Laboratories listing information, and follow the manufacturer instructions exactly, because the label defines allowable proximity to combustible materials. When working in attic spaces, place and secure an accessible barrier around each non-insulation contact housing using rigid materials such as drywall, plywood, or factory-supplied boxes so insulation cannot settle against the fixture, and so future maintenance is possible without removing ceiling finishes. For remodel installations, use housings designed for retrofit with integrated barriers or shallow housings to preserve ceiling depth while keeping the required clearance. If covering fixtures with insulation is unavoidable, choose insulation contact-rated fixtures that are specifically approved to be covered, and note that those fixtures still require correct wiring and junction box access. Always shut power at the breaker and test with a non-contact voltage tester before any work, and document fixture types and locations for future owners or service technicians. 3 common mistakes are assuming every recessed light can be covered with insulation, allowing loose fill insulation to creep against non-insulation contact housings, and ignoring attic access for future inspection. Treat every fixture as potentially non-insulation contact until you confirm its rating on the label, rather than assuming paint or age changed its classification, and replace with an insulation contact-rated unit if you plan to fully insulate. Prevent loose fill migration by installing rigid baffles or barriers around the housing, or by securing insulation with netting so the 3-inch clearance remains constant. Maintain access by positioning fixtures so junction boxes and the housing trim can be reached from the attic, or by installing removable cover panels. Accessible maintenance ensures ongoing compliance and safer thermal performance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to compare approaches to recessed lighting and insulation best practices. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences and practical advice, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and engaging local customers.